Describe your daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast with my family. I go to school at 7 a.m. I study and play with friends. After school, I do my homework. In the evening, I eat dinner and watch TV. I go to bed at 9 p.m. I like my routine because it is simple. What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
What do you do after that?
I eat breakfast with my family.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 a.m.
What do you do at school?
I study and play with friends.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
What do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner and watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Do you like your daily routine?
Yes, I like it because it is simple.